Hi, my name is Chester. This morning, Mom turned on the brand new furnace, and there wasn't any cold air blowing up. The other cats told me, when Mom turned on the furnace, then when you're talking, you're not jumping. When you're talking, you're not jumping. You're not jumping on me right now, okay? You're talking. Just continue your chat. Before, when she turned on the furnace, then it would turn on and then it would turn off and we'd get cold air. This time it was warm air all the time it was on. And it was just the fan. So I don't know how we got warm air, but it was really cool. Really, really cool. Thank you very much for talking to me. My name's Chester. Don't forget it, okay? Thanks. Bye.